Hello Yatri, so welcome back to Yatri Cloud, and today in this video I'm gonna be sharing with you how you can get access of Claude total in free. So as you can see, the Claude is gonna be giving you the Claude Max 20x version totally free for 6 months, and if you are eligible to getting the subscription, you will be getting the mail something like this, and you are able to activate your Claude subscription and you can use this. So as you can see right now, this is the maximum plan, which is starting from the $100 per month. So for 6 months, it would be worth it more than the $600. So yeah, here is the plan that you don't need to purchase now. So I'm gonna be starting this video. Just keep stay tuned with me. By end of this video, you will came to know what to do and how to get Claude total in free. So here I am Claude Architect certified, and you can see how we are gonna be applying for the application. So here let's back to our application, which is from the cloud for open source contributors, guys. So if you are developer or if you are actually working on the open source project, and if you did something really meaningful contribution in your project inside the GitHub, you are eligible to getting the cross subscription in totally free. So as you can see, when I'm gonna be scroll down, this is the applications for specific developers, where you can see maintainers, everyone, right, who are actually working on the open source projects. So here the eligibility criteria is mainly about you must have a public repo with 5,000 plus GitHub stars, and secondly, if you are not qualified this, you can go with 1 million plus monthly npm downloads. That means your contributors, your forks must be download your repo from the GitHub, clone that, and they are gonna be do npm, okay, in their terminal. So this is, you are pretty much aware if you are developer and if you are working on the open source project. So just keep in the mind. And nextly, you can also focusing on the commits, releases, and PR reviews, that all within the last 3 months. Okay. So, and if you are not fitting in this criteria, right, then what you can do? If you build something really amazing, right? If you build something on real life project, you can simply submit the application. Claude is gonna be reviewing it, and you will be getting the mail from the Claude within the short time. So now, when I'm gonna scroll down, as you can see, this is the form which you have to submit. So first name, last name, pretty much you have to just enter, and here it would be really great if you have the work email address or if you have the specific account on the Claude, you can simply use that one. Then you can just enter your GitHub profile, GitHub username. Then here is the repo, which is the open source contribution, right? So you have to just submit your repository, which must be public. It should be accessible by anyone on the internet. All right. And here you can explain about why you need a subscription, why you are eligible, what you have to do, right? So what's your plan with in next 6 months, in next 1 year, what you are going to plan to, use the Claude into your project. So try to describe in a very pretty much well formatted, and just submit the applications form, and then you are good to go, and you will be getting access from the Claude for Claude Max subscription. So here is let's talking about the deadline. So deadline is the 30th June. So please try to submit as soon as possible, and you will be getting the accesses per account per subscription. That's it. Okay. And this is for individual account, right? It's not for the commercial purpose, so please keep in your mind. So that's, yeah, simplest information about for you guys if you are looking for the Claude subscription, and if you are running your business or agency or any freelancing project, it should be help out to you to save your $600. So yeah, submit it and let me know if you guys any help. See you soon in the next video.